Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I am going to make one of the oldest classic cocktails for you. The Classic Gimlet Cocktail. There is a long history involved with this classic cocktail. And you will be surprised to know that Gimlet cocktail was introduced around 1900s, by the Royal Navy Surgeon Admiral Sir Thomas Gimlet, who used to give this to his sailors. I will make this classic cocktail in a traditional cocktail glass. Firstly, I will chill the glass. So I put 4 to 5 ice cubes. And pour a little water. Now I will stir slowly for a while. This way the glass will be chilled very quickly. Now I will let the glass be chilled, and start making the cocktail. I will pour 2 ounces of London dry gin. You will be surprised to know that the term London dry gin is nothing but a style, and can be produced anywhere in the world. 1 ounce of lime mix. Lime mix is prepared by mixing fresh lemon juice, lime cordial, and water. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. 1 ounce of simple syrup. You can easily prepare simple syrup at home, by mixing equal parts of sugar and water. I will add 6 to 8 ice cubes, and shake vigorously. This method is known as the shake and strain technique in mixology terminology. In this technique all the ingredients are shaken together with ice, and strained straight up into a chilled glass. If you want to know more about this technique, please feel free to contact me. My glass is now perfectly chilled. So I will throw ice and water. Now I will fix a Hawthorne strainer on the shaker. And strain the cocktail straight up into the glass. I will be happy if you make this classic cocktail at home, and share your experience with me. Now I will garnish this classic cocktail with a dehydrated lemon slice. The Classic Gimlet Cocktail is ready for you. Cheers for your amazing life. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes like this. See you soon with another amazing recipe. Till then, keep watching.